back with some breaking news coming in. Manishankar Iyer leaves Congress red-faced. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party has put out a post, a clip in fact, of Manishankar Iyer speaking about Rajiv Gandhi. The clip has been shared by BJP, and now according to the clip, Manishankar Iyer in the video is talking about Rajiv Gandhi's academic pitfalls. In the clip, Manishankar Iyer can be heard revealing how Rajiv Gandhi struggled academically, failing at Cambridge, where passing is relatively easy. He then moved to Imperial College London, but failed there as well. These are the words of Manishankar Iyer. That clip has been put out by Amit Malviya. Listen in.
और इंदिरा जी का नाम सभी जानते हैं। वैसे ही जब राजीव बने तो लोगों ने सोचा, मैंने सोचा, छोड़िए दूसरों को, कि ये एयरलाइन पायलट है, 2 बार फेल हो चुका है। मैं उसके साथ पढ़ा था कैम्ब्रिज में। अच्छा। वहां वो फेल हो चुके, और कैम्ब्रिज में फेल होना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। फर्स्ट क्लास मिलना आसान है। अच्छा। लेकिन फेल होना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी अपनी छवि को बरकरार रखने के लिए कोशिश करती है
कि फेल ना करें,
कि सभी कम से कम पास तो हो जाए। लेकिन इसके बावजूद राजीव फेल हुए। फिर वो गए इंपीरियल कॉलेज लंदन, वहां दोबारा फेल हुए। तो मैंने सोचा कि ऐसे व्यक्ति को क्या प्रधानमंत्री बनना है।
Let's go across to Niyamika for more on this. Niyamika, has this clip reached the Congress? Any response?
There was one response which had come on the part of the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Tariq Karnal, who said that the educational qualification doesn't actually make any kind of impact upon the political career, and even he has also, completely distanced himself from this statement which has been given by Mr. Manishankar Iyer, as he is one of those leaders of the Congress Party who repeatedly makes such kind of controversial remarks, not just about the party but about various topics. And for that reason, this time also it has given an opportunity to the BJP to rake up this entire issue, as it is Mr. Amit Malviya who has raised this entire issue, in which he has also given the statement that in which Mr. Manishankar Iyer has given the statement that Rajiv Gandhi had struggled academically, even failing at Cambridge, where passing is relatively easy. He then moved to Imperial College London, but failed there as well. So clearly, it has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise this concern that it is their own Congress leaders, it is the Congress leaders itself who are raising the question upon the ability, the capability of the former Prime Minister, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, while speaking about his educational qualification in particular.
All right, Niyamika, stay on with us. Let's in fact take a look at that tweet that has been put out by Amit Malviya. He shared the clip, and this was the content of that post. Amit Malviya says, and I quote, Rajiv Gandhi struggled academically, even failing at Cambridge, where passing is relatively easy. He then moved to Imperial College London, but failed there as well. In fact, Manishankar Iyer is heard saying this in the video. Many question how someone with his academic record could become the Prime Minister. And towards the end, in his post, Amit Malviya says, let the veil be stripped. This particular video of Manishankar Iyer, the conversation that he is having about Rajiv Gandhi, has left the Congress Party red-faced. Remains to be seen how the Congress Party is going to react to it. Quick break with that. Thank you to Niyamika for getting us the details.